folks, welcome to Sawnee Mountain Motors Online. Here's another frontline ready unit from Akins Ford. 23 Denali, pearl white, just absolutely wow, what a beautiful truck. Wait till you see the interior. It's got 60,000 miles on it. You can see the beautiful diamond white paint. There's no issues anywhere. Tires are good. Went through Akins Ford service department. Power running boards. Love the black wood. Look at that, gorgeous. Really nicely equipped Denali. See the big screens, got the dual screens down there. Center console. The whole console slides towards the back or forward if you want it out of your way. Pano roof, heated and ventilated seats, obviously. It's got the all-weather floor mats. Third row, without saying. Center row buckets. You can see how the console slides back for the passengers to use it. You can slide it up out of your way also. It's got the dual headrest DVD players. Really cool. In the third row back there. Heading to West Virginia with my grandkids next weekend, and I believe this is the one I'll probably drive. So it'll probably have 62,000 miles on it by the time you see it. But I'll price it accordingly. I'm going to make this thing super fairly priced. We will put it back through the shop just to make sure Akins didn't miss anything, but they really never do. But I don't sell anything that we haven't checked out ourselves. But this thing is just like brand new. You'd never know it had 60,000 miles on it to look at it. We have financing for good credit and bad credit. We have really good low rate financing for great credit. And we can get you approved. If you can be approved, I can get you approved. I have all the banks and everything we need, all the tools in the toolkit. We also sell extended warranties at our cost because we really feel like everyone should have an extended warranty. These new cars are really complex and there's so many things that can go wrong, even though they don't usually. When they do, if you have one of these strange problems, it can be super costly. So I sell them at cost to make them affordable. I want you to be protected. I appreciate you guys shopping. You can call me on my cell anytime. Mike Stout, 404-867-5028. If you look at this truck on our website versus Auto Trader or Car Gurus or cars.com or anything like that, you'll see a lot more information about the vehicle, articles about it, crash test ratings are there. Make sure you watch our YouTube video that's on our website that you're watching it right now. What am I saying? I appreciate it. Have a great day. Thanks so much.